So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a column number to a letter. We'll begin with creating the subroutine. So sub, we'll just call it convert column number. And we'll begin with setting our variable for the worksheet. So worksheet as worksheet, and we'll set that equals this workbook dot sheets and sheet 1. The next thing we want to do is create a variable for the column number that we want to convert to the letter. In this case, it will be column number as an integer. And the column number, we'll just say that's going to be the value of cell A1. So if you have a look up here, the value of cell A1 is 7, and we know that the 7th letter of the alphabet is a G. So we're going to just return the letter G just so that you can see that that works. So the next thing we want to do is set a variable of collect column letter, and we don't need to add anything more than that. And we want to set this variable using this split function. And we'll set the delimiter on the address where we split. And lastly, we'll create the message box that will return the letter. So once we run this one, it's going to return a G because the 7th letter of the alphabet is a G. So let's check this out. G. If we change the value of this to any other number at all, even 100, run it again, it's letter CV, and again 26 should be the letter Z, and you can go from there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have found this video to be helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.